Good evening, friends. Today we are here to talk about stress. What is stress? Stress is manually caused. It's manually caused either by somebody else to us or we ourselves cause stress to us. It's a state of disturbance. It's a state of mental disability, I'll say, where you get disturbed mentally, you get disturbed physically. Stress can cause many things. Well, what are the reasons why stress is there? First, let us understand what kind of stresses are there. Stress could be short term or stress could be long term. Short term stresses could be like going for an examination or maybe somebody coming to your home, maybe going for a job interview. Long term stresses are stresses which are related to our family. You got some problem in your family, some problem at your workplace, some issue that is creeping up in your mind for a very, very long time. Now, what could be the reasons of stress? The reasons of stress could be two. One is personal reasons, second is social or job related issues. In personal reasons, we count upon health issues. Generally, these days, people are having health issues. Somebody is having diabetes, somebody having heart issues, somebody having arthritis, problems with his knees. These could lead to stress. Then emotional issues, where you are not able to convey your feelings to somebody else, your anger, your grief, emotions like this which you are not able to share to somebody. Then issues related to low self esteem, not able to cope up with self and having low self esteem issues. Relationship issues, somebody in the family somewhere not able to do what you wish to do or something like that. Anything related to overthinking. Overthinking can lead to stress given by some other people. Lack of sleep. Married person or unmarried, transfer to some other place, moving to other city. Some sudden reasons such as death of near ones, death of parents, death of spouse, death of somebody near, some friend or some other sudden reason. Somebody wishes to be with his family but he is outside somewhere, posted somewhere out. He is not able to cope up with that stress. So these could be the reasons for stress which could be personal. Now if we talk about reasons for social or job related issues, maybe somebody wishes to do something in his life, follow his passion or something, but he is not able to do it. He used to work extra, overburdened in his job. Possible. Living in a place where crime is too much, pollution is too much, noise pollution is too much, very uncomfortable, It causes stress. Unemployment, not having a job or losing a job. Or maybe he's having unrealistic expectations or perceptions. What he wishes to do may be unexpectedly different from what he is capable, or he's not able to do it. Or he is, or rather, I'll not say incapable. I'll say he's not able to do it because of certain circumstances or whatever it is. So these are the reasons why stress is there. It could be, as I told you, it could be personal or social. Now, friends, I would like to know from you, if you know, or if you feel there are any other reasons, please put it across in the comment box.